Supreme Court has sought Centre's response to a bunch of pleas seeking a stay on the Citizenship Amendment Act rules that were notified recently on the 11th of March and has fixed the next hearing on the 9th of April. In the meantime, there is no stay on the grant of citizenship even as some of petitioners pressed for it. I have my colleague Sunil Prabhu joining us with more details on this. Sunil, one of the criticism of the CAA rules was that Citizenship Amendment Act is still in the realm of judicial review and that there are petitions against it. But of course, the Home Minister had rebutted that. Now today, what is the significance of the Supreme Court not actually putting a stay on the implementation of the Act?
Well, I think really there were a lot of housekeeping issues that the Chief Justice of India wanted to first address. It started off with the Solicitor-General of India saying that, you know, there are so many petitions, we need at least 4 weeks of time to address those concerns and reply to the notices. That led to a barrage from the petitioners, the lawyers who kept saying that, you know, we want to stay. There are two separate issues. One is the stay in terms of the amendments to the CAA and the rules that have come about. There's also the Assam order which has to be looked separately. The Chief Justice and his entire bench looking at that earlier order relating to Assam. And it's in that context that the Chief Justice of India then finally deciding, after hearing the petitioners, to list the matter on the 9th of April, directing the parties to, by the 2nd of April, to submit their documents so that the court can go into this entire issue. Some of the petitioners even argued that they should go to a larger bench. In the meantime, they wanted, of course, a stay on not granting citizenship. The Chief Justice of India made it clear that at the district, at the central level, they have to put committees. They don't have that infrastructure in place, so they can't grant. But Mr. Kapil Sibal said, grant us the liberty in case they do give citizenship, because once you give citizenship to somebody, it will create a problem and you can't revoke it. So he said then we will be definitely at liberty to move the court in this context. This, of course, after some petitioners tried to say that, you know, Muslims would be, you know, targeted in the case of the CAA relating to Assam. And at which point, no less than the Solicitor-General of India making it absolutely clear that there will be no discrimination on the basis of religion. And this is nothing to do with NRC. This is only to do with CAA and its implementation of the rules.
For joining us with those details, Supreme Court has asked Centre for a reply within 3 weeks on the CAA. Thank you so much.